Future of road traffic, a conceivable scenario. Welcome to Erklärwürdig, worth explaining. Artificial intelligence and fully autonomous vehicles could fundamentally change the streetscape and our mobility behavior. Traffic jams, traffic chaos, and the gradual acceleration at green lights could be a thing of the past in 30 years. Self-driving cars communicate with each other and are controlled using highly developed artificial intelligence in combination with sensors and cameras, in real time using lightning-fast processors. Communication between them creates a networked system that regulates traffic dynamically and proactively. Traffic lights would no longer be necessary because artificial intelligence would precisely calculate distances and speeds, coordinate them, and prevent collisions. Passengers can travel relaxed in their vehicle without a steering wheel or gear shift. This means that they can use their time in the car freely, whether for work, entertainment, or perhaps a nap. The interior of the vehicle could be individually designed, for example, in the form of a mobile office, a small entertainment room, a relaxation room, or even a room for people with physical disabilities. Elderly people or people with physical or mental disabilities could remain mobile through these systems. Safety would be significantly improved by sophisticated AI systems, as they react much faster and more precisely than humans. Speeding, distractions, and accidents caused by alcohol or drug consumption would be eliminated. Due to the ever-increasing development of processor speeds in combination with AI systems, pedestrians and cyclists also benefit because they are detected early and their movements are taken into account by the system. Traffic jams could generally be a thing of the past, as the communication between cars and the installed AI infrastructure would make traffic lights unnecessary. In the future, vehicles would also move evenly on the highway and line up harmoniously when entering and exiting. The whole thing could then also take place at quite high speeds. The average travel time could therefore also be reduced, as we would travel much faster, and the best and fastest route would automatically be chosen, even on long journeys. If we think about it even further, we need to add self-flying cars to the scenario, a revolutionary development that will create a new dimension of mobility by shifting traffic additionally or completely into urban airspace. When traffic volumes are higher, the AI systems could, for example, give selected vehicles the command to fly in order to further ease the traffic situation on the ground. Takeoff and landing areas, which could also be used as parking spaces, would be built on buildings. This would create more parking space on the ground overall. Self-flying cars could also be used for longer business trips or emergency transport. The direct connection by air shortens the travel time, which also offers great advantages in rural areas when reaching city centers and is also more environmentally friendly. Goods packages are delivered to customers via drones. Especially in urban areas, smaller drones could deliver packages to the recipient within minutes. Large drones, or giant airships, could serve as mobile warehouses, strategically adapting to the volume and delivery addresses of orders placed and positioning themselves most efficiently locally. Orders would be placed directly from the airship via smaller drones. To make this scenario a reality, the entire transport infrastructure would have to undergo a significant transformation. Smart roads, reliable networks, and safety protocols would have to be established worldwide. The entire urban airspace would have to be reorganized to avoid collisions. Of course, an AI-controlled traffic system raises many important questions. How, for example, can hacker attacks or system errors be prevented? How can data protection be guaranteed? Ethical questions may also arise. The noise pollution from flying objects, such as drones, could become a new problem. In order to implement such systems, acceptance within society is necessary. This requires absolute transparency and close cooperation between governments, the high-tech industry, and social representatives. If you can think of any other possible scenarios on this topic or other questions relating to artificial intelligence, please write them in the comments.